What's the meaning of burden of proof? Burden of proof. Burden of proof.
Burden of proof. Burden of proof. The burden of proof is a legal concept that refers to the responsibility of a party to prove the truth of an assertion or claim. In civil and criminal trials, the burden of proof is typically on the prosecution or plaintiff, who must prove the defendant's guilt or liability beyond a reasonable doubt or preponderance of the evidence, respectively. Failure to meet this burden typically results in a verdict in favor of the opposing party. In essence, the burden of proof serves as a safeguard against unfair or baseless accusations and ensures that cases are decided based on reliable evidence rather than speculation or conjecture.